Hello, everyone.
Hi, welcome back.
Today we have another story.
Yes, a simple story for shadowing.
Remember,
Listen and speak with us,
not after.
but with us.
Okay, let's start.
First, just listen.
Lily goes to the supermarket.
She needs some food.
She takes a basket.
She walks inside.
She looks around.
She sees apples.
She takes 2 apples.
She sees milk.
She takes 1 bottle of milk.
She sees bread.
She takes some bread.
Now she goes to the cashier.
The cashier says hello. Lily smiles.
She says hello.
The cashier says, "That is $5. Lily pays.
She says thank you.
The cashier says, "You're welcome."
Lily goes home.
She feels happy.
She has food now.
Now, shadow with us. Lily goes to the supermarket.
Lily goes to the supermarket.
She takes a basket.
She takes a basket.
She sees apples.
She sees apples.
She takes 2 apples.
She takes 2 apples.
She takes milk.
She takes milk.
She takes bread.
She takes bread.
She goes to the cashier.
She goes to the cashier.
She says hello.
She says hello.
She says thank you.
She says thank you.
She feels happy.
She feels happy.
Now, a little faster. Lily goes to the supermarket. She takes a basket. She buys apples, milk, and bread.
She goes to the cashier. She pays. She says thank you. She goes home happy.
Try with us.
It's okay if it is difficult.
Now, your turn. What do you buy at the supermarket?
Milk, bread, fruit.
Say it in English.
Great job.
Yes, very good.
You are improving.
Step by step.
Tell us in the comments, what do you buy at the supermarket?
We want to know.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.